I lost $5,258 on my first investment property after listening to all of the Bigger Pockets podcast, after reading tons of Bigger Pockets books, to include David Green's book on long-distance real estate investing. But it all worked out in the end. If you have one takeaway from this video, I want it to be this. A strong market tailwind can overcome a lot of screw-ups. Trust me, a lot of screw-ups. This is us in 2018, eager to buy our first investment property. I'd listened to the podcast, I watched the YouTube videos, hell, I even read the books, to include the one that started it all, David Green's book on long-distance real estate investing. Because of this book, this is the market I chose, Huntsville, Alabama. It had a growing population, a strong economy, and was picking up popularity on the Bigger Pockets forums. This is my first attempt at investing, my first duplex, Clayton Drive in Huntsville, Alabama. We purchased this for $71,000. At the time, rents were $500 per side, and I thought for sure I could drive the rents through just a few $1,000s in rehab, and it would be a cash cow. And this is what went wrong. I used the first real estate agent that I met. I went with the first property management company that I interviewed. I didn't file taxes on my LLC. I didn't know what was going on in my property, and I didn't set expectations with my property manager. I also didn't really know how to analyze a property at that point in time. This is the cash flow that I made in the first 2.5 years of owning this property. You're reading that right. Negative $5,258 after 2.5 years of owning a cash cow of a property. So this is what I did next. I sold. I sold this property for $117,000. Here's the crazy thing. I would do the deal all over again, even if it meant losing $5,000. Because it was my first deal, and because the education I got was way more valuable than that measly $5,000. I learned, for one, a strong market could overcome a shitty deal. I learned that I wasn't cut out for long-distance real estate investing, and I'd have to move to a market like I'm in now here in Bryan College Station, where I could invest in my backyard. I also learned that cheap properties did not mean high cash flow. Lastly, I learned that I freaking love real estate investing. And if you love real estate investing, you better like and subscribe to this channel. You better follow me, and you better hang around for my next video. See you guys soon.